Is it your dad?
Yes, it is.
So right turn at the roadway. Yeah, no problem. So I just noticed we just passed the examiner and somebody was on their road test there in that black car with the yellow sign on it.
Yes.
And I don't know what she was getting to do there. That was weird. Parking there. Anyway, it's 50 kilometers an hour here.
Did you recognize who the instructor was?
The examiner? Yeah, that was Carol.
Okay.
She's very nice.
Okay.
And when you're ready, we're gonna turn left at the lights. I'll just leave it up to you when to make that lane change without cutting anybody off. Nice. That white van was far enough back there that you didn't cut him off. And
Fast.
speed limit, yeah, 50. Okay, right on.
Down. Was that too soon still, or?
No, because you brought it back down. You noticed within 5 seconds. You brought it back down again within 5 seconds. So like 1,001, 1,002, up to 5. They give you that long to reconfigure your speed.
Okay.
So it's not an automatic fail.
Okay.
Let's turn right here. They'll get you to turn left, but I don't want to get in the way of the examiner behind us.
Oh yeah.
And we'll do the 3-point turn. See, there they are right there. Going for a 3-point turn. Let's see if they do the parallel parking. Nope, just 3-point turn.